Meaning of edgewise.
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 Edgewise. Edgewise is an adverb that describes the manner in which something is done, moving or acting with the edge forward. For example, if you try to put a word in edgewise during a conversation, you are attempting to interject something despite interruptions or difficulties. The term can also refer to placing something into a narrow space at an angle, such as sliding a book into a crowded bookshelf. Overall, edgewise suggests a persistent and determined effort to achieve a goal despite obstacles.